and out through the mouth.
Bring you back.
I'm crunchy, I told you.
You're super crunchy. And what we'll do is we'll count to 3. When we get to...
Okay, I needed that.
How did that feel?
Very good.
Very good?
Yes.
No pain?
No, surprisingly.
Surprisingly, yeah.
Because that's the side that hurts.
That hurts, right, yeah. Relax a little bit more. Drop that right shoulder down and...
Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. That was it.
Yeah.
That was all. It's just been there for like 2 days. I have a tear in my eye. Thank you. Oh.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Jasmine.
Hello.
Okay, so Jasmine, you came in with complaints of neck, upper, lower back pain, and possibly due to scoliosis, right?
Yes.
Okay. You said you were diagnosed with it. They took an X-ray?
Yes.
Okay. Well, just based on my palpation earlier, it wasn't anything major that I can feel.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, imaging, is the go-to as far as, finding out if there's any curvature in the spine.
Right.
Okay? All right. So give me some more information. Is it uncomfortable with certain positions? Is it affecting your daily life? What's going on?
I wouldn't say, well, actually it is affecting my daily life because as I told you, it's uncomfortable when I'm trying to go to sleep. I can't find a comfortable position to get in. But yeah, just constant pain within my shoulders, my neck, all the way to my lower back.
I see.
And it's been that way for about 3 years now.
Okay. So with, given your age, you're not growing anymore. And with scoliosis, we can't really fix the curvature, but we can manage like symptoms, So we do the stretches, we do the adjustments, we do the massage, and that's mainly to kind of help with any aches, pain, soreness, muscle tension, and so forth that you're having, okay? So I'll check your range of motion, I'll examine you, I'll do some palpation, and then we'll see what's what.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Let's have you go ahead and bend forward for me. Okay, then. All right.
Should I go down more?
No, you're fine. Yeah, so if anything, it'll be very mild. Like I said, even when I did the palpation, I didn't feel like a major curvature, but like around like your thoracic going into the upper lumbars, I did feel like a slight, curve, okay? It's not as straight as it usually is. Okay. But once again, I had to see the x-rays to kind of confirm it, okay? All right. So let's have you do some rotation and see how that feels. You can sit right where you are.
Okay.
I'm just going to have you slowly rotate. So keep both arms up. You're going to rotate to the right. Good. Slowly rotate to the other side. How does that feel?
It feels fine.
You feel fine?
Yeah. I'm guilty of cracking my back myself.
Yourself?
So I can feel that something is there.
Something is there and needs to be popped. I got you. Okay. But besides that,
that is fine.
Just fine. No major issue
no,
with that.
It's
okay.
really my neck.
The neck. Okay. Both arms up. Go side to side for me.
Oh.
Slowly. Is that uncomfortable? A little tight?
I wouldn't say tight.
What do you feel?
Nothing. Honestly, I just cracked it.
When you just hear a pop.
Yeah.
You just felt a pop. You're very, very crunchy.
Yeah, I'm very crunchy.
Okay. All right. So the lumbars, they're not creating any pain. If anything, we'll adjust to just kind of help increase your range of motion. So you can kind of like move a little bit better, so your movements can be a little bit more fluid. Go ahead and look down for me. Good. Is that tight? What do you feel?
It's a little tight.
It's a little tight?
Yeah.
Let's have you look up. Go as far back as you can. How's that?
I feel pain on the left side.
Pain on the left side. Okay. Let's have you rotate to the left. So you're going to do this motion, okay? When I say rotate. So let's have you rotate to the left for me.
It hurts
Yeah,
right there.
that hurts.
I can't go any further than that.
Than that. I see. Let's go to the other side.
It hurts.
It hurts.
Still on the left side.
On the left side.
Yeah.
I see. The rotation is actually not too bad. It's just that it's creating discomfort.
Yes.
Okay.
So much.
I see. Let's have you go side to side. So you're going to go to the right side and then to the left side, okay?
Okay.
Let's have you go to this side first. Oh, that's limited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you feel with that?
So much pain. Like right here is really tight.
That's tight.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the other side. That's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's a little tight, but there's no pain.
There's no pain.
Yeah.
I see. So going to the right is a bit uncomfortable.
Yeah.
That right light reflection. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure.
Okay.
That's okay?
Mhm.
Rotate, pressure. That's okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Rotate again, pressure. That's okay.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. So let me have you face down for me. You're going to be on your stomach to kind of assess your muscles, okay?
Okay.
If there are any points where you are feeling tenderness, you just let me know, okay?
Okay.
How's that? That's okay?
Oh, yeah.
Is that okay?
Mhm.
Is that okay?
Yes. It's a little tender.
A little tender down the lower. Okay, how far down? Where
Right
I'm
there,
right there
right.
where I am. Okay. I'm gonna keep pressure right here. I want you to take this whole leg, lift it off the table. And bring it down. What do you feel with that?
Nothing.
Okay. Same thing on this side. Lift the whole leg up. What do you feel?
Nothing.
That's fine?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, let me have you on your back. Okay. And I'm going to raise this leg up. Let me know if you have any, besides, tightness you might feel in your hamstrings, let me know if you have any back pain with that.
Okay. No back pain.
No back pain. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Same thing on this side. This leg is coming up. You're going to feel some tension in your hamstring, but let me know if there are any back pain with that.
No back pain.
No back pain?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. Okay, all right. Let me have you sit up. Okay, so we'll do some stretches for the lower extremity. Okay, just kind of like loosen up, your hamstrings and your lumbars. Okay, we'll do some hip flexors as well. Okay, to kind of help decrease any tightness issues, and then I will do the upper stretches, because that's where a lot of your issues are, okay? And then after the stretches, we'll do the adjustments.
Okay.
That's when you hear the popping and cracking,
Okay.
And after that, we'll do massages, okay?
Alrighty.
All right?
I'm gonna bring this leg in a little bit. You can stay loose. I'm gonna do all the work.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna place this foot right here.
Oh.
Okay. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. How did that feel?
It hurts.
It hurts?
I feel something right here in my
Just a
back.
little stretch?
Yeah, a little.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it back just a little bit more.
Okay.
Breathe in and let it out. How was that?
That's better.
That's better?
Yeah.
All right. Breathe in. Breathe out. How was that?
That's fine.
That's fine? I'm
Mhm.
gonna bring it back just a little bit more, okay?
Okay.
Breathe in and let it out. And release. How was that one?
That one was better.
That one was
Didn't
better?
hurt as much, yeah.
All right. Breathe in and let it out. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. How was that?
This one feels much better than the other leg already.
All right. I'm gonna bring it back a little bit more, okay?
Okay.
Breathe in and let it out. How was that?
It's better. It's
All
nice.
right. We're gonna do this 2 more times, okay? Breathe in. And release. How was that?
That's fine.
Breathe in. And let it out. That feels nice?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Breathe in through the nose. And out through the mouth. I'm gonna bring it back a little bit more, okay?
Okay.
Breathe in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose. And out through the mouth.
Just take care of the neck. All right. Okay, so all you have to do is just relax, okay?
Okay.
Good. You can drop your head down. All right. So go ahead and take a deep breath in for me. And go ahead and let it out. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Let's go back to the center again. Was that uncomfortable?
No.
No? Deep breath. Go ahead and let that out for me. Good. Perfect. Let's go back to the center again. How was that?
That was fine.
Not too bad. One more time. Take a deep breath for me. And go ahead and let it out. Relax your body. Good. Perfect. Let's go to the other side now. Good. All right. Nice deep breath. And release. There we go. Good. Let's go again. Deep breath. Go ahead and let that out for me. Good, 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 good. One more time. Deep breath. Go ahead and let it out. Good. Good. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, just drop your head in the palm of my hand. Relax. I'm going to rotate your head slightly. And push down on your shoulders and bring your head up. And just relax. Is that uncomfortable?
No.
Okay, good. Let's do that again. We're going to rotate slightly. Push down on the shoulder. Raise your head up. Just relax for me. There you go. Good. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Rotate you slightly. Drop the shoulder down and release. Good, 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 good. Perfect. One more time. Is that painful, by the way?
No, it's not.
Okay. All right. Press the shoulder down. Go ahead and take a deep breath for me. And go ahead and let it out. And just relax. There you go. Good. We're going to do one last one. And all I am doing is just a pulling motion, okay?
Okay.
So we call that distraction. So just take a deep breath and let it out. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Feels good. Let's do that one more time. Deep breath and let it out. Good. Let's do that again one more time. Deep breath and let it out. There you go. Perfect. Okay, good. Okay, so now Tiana is gonna, sorry for that, Tiana's gonna come in and finish the stretches with you, okay?
Just like this. And I'm just going to stretch your adductors like this. At any point, if it becomes too tight or uncomfortable, just let me know and I'll stop, okay? So we're going to start with that big deep breath in. And then you want to relax and let it out. How's that feel?
This is fine.
Can I go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so deep breath in. And then let it out. Good. That's okay?
Yeah, but that might be my limit.
Okay. and I'm just going to relax and let it out. Is that comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Just going to hold it for a second. Okay, it's the last one. Perfect. Okay, stretch for your back. So what I want you to do is come like this. You're going to arch your back all the way in. Good. And then put your head all the way up. But I want you to take a big deep breath in and let it out. Good. I want you to take another breath for me. Put your head down and bring your back all the way up.
Kind of open up.
Oh, like
Yeah.
upward, downward.
Yes, yes. Good. So now we're going to do all of that together, starting from here. Okay. Deep breath in and let it out. Good. Deep breath in, come up, and let it out.
I'm doing that one right.
It's good, but your hair's going up. Perfect. And then deep breath in. And perfect, let it out. Good. All right, that was perfect. Thank you. Go ahead and stand up. And that was your last stretch. Dr. Good to see you now.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Okay. So I'm going to position you.
Okay.
All I need you to do is just relax, okay?
Alrighty.
Head goes on the groove right here. And I'm going to position your shoulder like this. Good. And head goes back in the groove. And relax your arm. You're just going to hold on to your arm like this, okay?
Okay.
You've never been to the chiropractor before?
No, not to do this, no.
Not for the those type of adjustments, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So your lower body, bring it closer to me. A little bit more. Perfect. Good. All right. So what I need you to do, you're going to straighten this leg out. Good. There you go. Perfect. You're like a pro. So you're going to hold onto your arm, okay? And I am going to stabilize your thoracics. And I'm going to bend this leg, okay? Now, what you have to do is loosen the lower portion while you keep this one tight, okay? I'm going to palpate your lower lumbars. You can loosen up your arm, just a little bit. You're like holding on tight for dear life, right? All right, go ahead and take a deep breath for me. Let it out.
I'm crunchy, I told you.
You're super crunchy.
I am.
Was there any pain with that?
No pain. It felt good.
How did that feel?
It felt very good.
It felt pretty good. Let's,
Ooh.
yeah, that was a loud.
Yeah.
That was a loud one.
Okay.
Let's come to this side. A little bit more. Just like this here, good. And hold on to your arm, good. Just like that. All right, I'm going to reach in. Good. And this leg is straight. Bring your lower body closer to me, a little bit more. Perfect, good. Straighten this leg out a little more, and I'm going to bend this leg. Okay, now, good. I'm going to palpate your lumbars real quick. I'm stabilizing your thoracics. Good. Let's have you take a deep breath in. Let it out. Relax your body. There we go. Yes, ma'am. All right. How did that feel?
It felt good.
It felt pretty good?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and have you sit up. Okay. So, all right, so right here, still a little tight. Before we adjust this part, let me have you sit and face this wall for me. Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do, you're gonna interlock your fingers behind your head. I'm gonna stretch that part out first, okay?
Okay.
And then adjust, because if it's too tight, we won't hear anything.
Okay.
All right, so, good. And I'm going to bring you back and let me know if it gets uncomfortable, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take a deep breath. Let it out. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. One more time, deep breath. Let it out. Good. Deep breath. And let it out for me. Relax. Relax. Good. One last time. Deep breath. Let it out. Good, good.
Why am I shaking?
Huh?
I started shaking.
You started shaking. Yeah, it's really tight. Okay, you can. So we're going to focus on the mid back. It's actually this portion right here, more like upper thoracics. So I'm gonna have you stand right here,
Okay.
right at the same angle. Okay, perfect. All right. So both arms are coming up. Let's have you spread the legs for me a little bit. Are you taller than me?
Might be.
All right. So I'm gonna reach out like this. Good. I got you.
Okay.
Take both of your hands. Put it on top of my hands. End up like your fingers. Mm-hmm. Good. Squeeze your elbows for me. I'm going to bring you back. There it is. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
Any pain with the adjustment?
No pain.
No pain.
No pain.
Okay. So now let's go ahead and focus up top. Okay. I'm going to have you sit and face this wall. So for this adjustment, I'm going to be on the top of the table. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So this adjustment is focusing at the occiput and then the lower cervicals, okay? So what I'll do is I am going to slightly rotate you and just drop your head, so right in the palm of my hand, sideways, a little bit more. So just kind of let your whole body go. Good. And relax as much as you can. And then what we'll do is we'll count to 3. When we get to...
Okay, I needed that. All right. I needed that one.
How did that one feel?
Very good.
Very good.
Yes.
No pain.
No, surprisingly.
Surprisingly, yeah.
Because that's the side that hurt.
That hurts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You would think it'll be painful, right?
That feels much better.
Much better already, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll target the other side, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So here it comes up. I'm gonna rotate slightly. That's still kind of stiff a little bit. Drop your head down for me. Good. There you go. Relax. Good. Relax a little bit more. Drop that right shoulder down and
Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. That was it.
yeah.
That was it. That was, oh my gosh, it was so bad.
Yeah, that was everything. Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It's been there for like 2 days. I have a tear in my eye. Thank you.
No problem at all.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Wow. I make a lot of noises for a 26-year-old, right? That's crazy.
Yeah, you get some very loud adjustments. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Good. Raise both legs up. Drop them down. Okay, good. All right. Tension will be pulling you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
How does that feel?
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
You don't feel any pain?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. How's that?
That's fine.
That's fine. One more time. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Gonna let that go. That's fine too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go ahead and take one big breath. Out.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay.
So that one took your breath away?
Yes. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How far down did it go?
But just to my neck.
Just the neck. Okay, gotcha.
Well, I feel a little something here.
Down to the upper back,
Yeah,
mid-back?
but
Okay.
it definitely got what was left.
Yeah, that extra tension.
Yeah, I needed that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, let's have you stand up and move around. Let me know how you feel.
Okay.
In comparison to when you first came in.
Yeah, I already see when you stepped out. I feel different.
You felt
I
different,
feel
right?
much better
Mhm.
than when I came in.
Felt
Less
loose.
tense, yeah.
Right.
I feel much better.
Much better. Let's bend forward. Let's see how that goes. That's good.
I feel good. I don't know. I feel fine.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to focus on the muscle. So the young ladies are going to massage up top, upper, mid, and then the lower back, okay?
Okay.
And you should feel 100% better after that.
Thank you.
I just want you to relax your neck completely, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Not uncomfortable, are you?
No.
Good. Just take a deep breath for me. Good. Let it out. I want you to do it again. Good. Let it out. Good. Take another breath for me. Let it out. Again. Let it out. Not too much pressure right here, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, just slide down just a little bit. Because I feel like all of this should be like relaxed a little more. Yeah. You comfortable? Mm-hmm. Good. The pressure okay?
Mm-hmm. You can use more pressure.
Okay. That good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.